Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use cider. Cider is an alcoholic beverage made from the fermented juice of apples. The juice of any variety of apples can be used to make cider, but cider apples are the best. The addition of sugar or extra fruit before a second fermentation increases the ethanol content of the resulting beverage. Cider is popular in the United Kingdom, especially in the Basque Country, and widely available. The UK has the world's highest per capita consumption, as well as its largest cider production companions. Cider is also popular in many Commonwealth countries, such as Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Aside from the UK and its former colonies, cider is popular in other European countries, including Ireland, Portugal, France, Germany, everywhere. It calls in Germany Apfelwein. Cider alcohol contains vary from 1.2% ABV to 8.5% or more in traditional English ciders and 3.5 to 12% in continental ciders. And in United Kingdom law, it must contain at least 35% apple juice. Also, Kamar says the real cider must be at 90% fresh apple juice. Okay, in cheaper Cidre bottles are crown corks. This crown corks you have to open with crown cork opener, as you can see. And now, use the cider and give it into a standard glass. That is delicious. High quality cider contains natural corks. You're able to drink fresh cider in cups or bottles too. But we will drink it with a standard glass. That's enough to enjoy it by a temperature of 8 until 10 degrees Celsius. If you like to store or let the glass bottle inside your fridge, use a fridge to store your cider, and use a ground glass joint to protect the cider. So easy as you can see. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.